YouTube? Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a fidget spinner. As you can see, it is Platinum Edition spinner, and on the top it says fidget spinner. So let's get. Oh, and if you're wondering where I got my fidget spinner, I got it at the Sweet Factory at my local mall. They also had fidget cubes, but I got a fidget spinner, but they for $10, as you can see. But they had fidget cubes for $13. So let's get this open. As you can see, it comes in a nice plastic. And this is the spinner. So let's spin this thing. So that's how you spin it. And I want to show you another thing that I can do. So if you take the spinner and hang on, I'll give you a better angle. So if you take the spinner and you put it on a desk, you can spin it on the desk like that, and then take your finger off. It's just spinning. But, they had other ones, but the only other one that I saw was it had like hearts all over it and love on that middle thing that you grab. And this was a boy one, so I got this one. But this one has dump trucks all over it, so that's the one that I got. My sister also has one. She got the heart one, but it's pretty good. Oh, and at the Sweet Factory, they also have Five Nights at Freddy's, so if you're interested in that, you can check it out. If you want to find one Sweet Factory near you, go on to your computer or something like that, and search up the Sweet Factory, and then go to maps. They should have them. They might not, because I've never actually searched it up, but I just happen to have a Sweet Factory at my local mall. So yeah, that's my fidget spinner. Hope you enjoyed it.